Welcome back everybody. In this video we're going to be looking at number 9 from the 2020 AMC 10A test. Okay, so let's read the question first. A single bench section at a school event can hold either 7 adults or 11 children, so this is important. So the same bench, it's the same bench. It can hold 7 adults or 11 children. When n bench sections are connected end to end, an equal number of adults and children seated together will occupy all of the bench space. What is the least possible positive integer value of n? Excuse me, guys. This is a math video, not a reading video, but sorry. Okay, so let's take a look. So when we have one bench, one length of bench, we can have either 7 adults or 11 children. Okay, and so we have n of these. There are n bench sections put together. So the number of benches that we have, we'll draw a couple more benches, is n. So we'll draw one more just in case. Okay, so let's see. So in order for the same number of adults and children, an equal number of adults and children to be seated together, this means that we have to find the least common multiple of 7 and 11. So I was just trying to figure out a way to explain this better. So we have to find the least common multiple of 7 and 11 because we want the least possible value, the least possible positive integer value of n. And so this means, so we're going to find the LCM of 7 and 11, and the two numbers are relatively prime integers, which means that the LCM of them will simply be their product. So it's 77. So there's 77, and this will be adults or children, depending. And you'll see what I mean. So we know that the smallest number that can be common between them now is 77. There's no way to get a number below there, because if we do like 14, for example, we get an even number of adult benches, but the number of children or the number of benches that we have is not going to be the right number. So let's take a look. If we have 77 adults, okay, then how many benches do we have? If we have 7 adults per bench, so divided by 7 adults per bench, the units will cancel nicely. We will get 11 benches. So this is from the adult standpoint. Now, from the children's standpoint over here, from the children's standpoint, if we have 77 children divided by 11 children per bench, then again, our units will cancel nicely, as will our numbers, and we will obtain 7 benches. So now we know that we have 77 adults and 77 children, but the adults will take up 11 benches, while the children will only take up 7 benches. So the sum, 11 plus 7, will give us 18 benches in total. And we know that this is the least amount because we use the least common multiple of the two in order to obtain this. So the answer choice B is going to be the best answer for this question, which was number 9 on the 2020 AMC 10A. As always, please leave a comment if you have any other solutions that are interesting. We'd love to learn from the different solutions that you have. Feel free to leave a comment also with any specific questions that you may have, either from a different math competition or from just school homework is fine as well. So any math competition question or any school math question you have as well, please leave a comment and a like on the video and subscribe definitely, and I will get those questions answered for you and posted as soon as I can. Again, thank you for the likes everyone, and thank you for the watches as well.